Everyone wants to lose belly fat. It looks bad and just doesn't feel good. Not only that, it is dangerous for you in health as well. The visceral fat, also known as the fat around your abdomen, can cause many health issues including diabetes, heart disease, strokes, and even cancer. Diet and exercise are the best ways to get rid of belly fat. But there are home remedies you can use to make them much more effective. Here are some natural home remedies to lose belly fat as quickly and easily as possible. Number 1. Lose belly fat with dandelion tea. Some of your belly fat is probably water retention. Dandelion herb can help with this. Dandelion is a natural diuretic, which means it makes you urinate more. This is good because it flushes out toxins and extra water from your body, especially from your belly. How to drink it? The best way to consume dandelion is in the form of tea. Pour 1 cup of boiling water over 1 teaspoon of dried dandelion leaves. Let simmer for 10 minutes, then strain out the leaves. Squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into tea and add some honey for a sweetener. If you have blocked bile ducts or any gallbladder related issues, avoid having dandelion tea because it can cause more harm in those cases. Number 2. Lose belly fat with cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has so many health benefits. Some of these benefits include relief from urinary tract infections, respiratory disorder, kidney stones, and even cancer and heart disease. Cranberry juice can be very strong and hard to drink on its own, so you can dilute it with some water if needed to make it more palatable. It's also rich in organic acids which have an emulsifying effect on the fat deposits in your body. Therefore, it is good for anyone who needs to lose belly weight. How to drink it? Mix half cup of 100% pure cranberry juice with 2 cups of water. Drink cranberry juice before each meal for best results. Number 3. Lose belly fat with green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that do wonder for the body. Green tea improves brain functions and memory and also fat loss. It can even lower your risk of cancer. Green tea boosts your metabolism, which in turn helps you burn fat. How to drink it? Step 1. Green tea bag in a mug of billion water for 5-10 minutes. You can also throw some mint leaves in while the tea is steeping. Add honey for a sweetener. It is best to drink green tea before meals. Number 4. Lose belly fat with hot peppers. Spicy foods are great for fat loss, especially hot peppers that boost your metabolism, which in turn helps you burn fat. Hot peppers contain a substance called capsaicin, which has thermogenic effects. It boosts your body's heat production, which means it also uses more energy and burns more calories. You can eat hot peppers raw, cooked, or dried. Habanero peppers have the most amount of capsaicin, but cayenne pepper is great too. You can add these peppers to your soups, stir fries, and then other dinner dishes. Number 5. Lose belly fat with chia seeds. Chia seeds are an amazing way to get more omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. If you are vegetarian or vegan and do not eat fish, chia seeds are something you should be consuming. Chia seeds are also high in antioxidants, calcium, iron, and lots of fiber too. They help keep you full longer. How to eat them? Try consuming at least 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day. You can easily add them to your smoothies, kefir, or oatmeal, but you can also make chia seeds pudding with some water or non-dairy milk for a filling and healthy snack. Number 6. Lose belly fat with coconut oil. Although coconut oil is a fat itself, it can still help you lose belly fat. It contains unique fatty acids that have a positive effect on your metabolism. The fat in coconut oil is used by your body as an energy source. Coconut oil is also thermogenic, so it helps your body burn fat. Studies have been done different types of oil such as coconut oil compared to soybean oil. One group of women were given 2 tablespoons of coconut oil a day, and the other group of women were given 2 tablespoons of soybean oil a day. They continued this study for a month. At the end of the month, both groups of women lost the same amount of weight, but the group that was taking coconut oil lost more weight circumstances, and those who took soybean oil had an increased the belly fat. How to use coconut oil? Do not add coconut oil to the oils that you already use. You should replace your cooking oils with coconut oil. Just have 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil a day for the best results. More than that can hinder the results. Number 7. Lose belly fat with ginger tea. Ginger is a natural digestive aid, so it helps with nausea and an upset stomach. Ginger is also thermogenic, meaning it increases your body's temperature to let in burn fat more efficiently. Ginger also suppresses the production of cortisol, which is stress hormone. Stress causes weight gain, so ginger helps prevent this. Drinking ginger tea daily can really help with losing belly fat. How to drink ginger tea? The ingredients you need to make ginger tea is 1 tablespoon of freshly ginger, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of raw honey or pure maple syrup, and the juice from 1 of 2 of a lemon. Put the water in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Then add the ginger and turn off the heat. Place the lid on the pot and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Next, strain the tea into a mug and then add the lemon juice and sweetener and mix. At night before bedtime is a great time to drink this tea. Number 8. Lose belly fat through exercise. Exercise is a very important aspect of losing belly fat. You need to exercise your entire body, not just your belly. Make sure that you do cardio often to help burn calories fat. A good cardio exercise would be running or jump rope. Do not forget to build muscles with strength training. The more muscles you build, the faster your metabolism will be, so you will burn more calories throughout the day. Number 9. Lose belly fat with herbs. Herbs are amazing things that aren't just used of flavoring dishes. There are some amazing fat burning herbs out there. 3 popular ones are the ginseng, ginger, and mint. These herbs are all fat burns. They boost your metabolism and encourage your body to burn fat. What to do with them? The best way to consume these herbs would be in tea form. Make a tea with some boiled water and mixing the herbs in them, letting it steep and then straining them. You can add honey for a sweetener. It is the best to drink the tea before meals. Number 10. Lose belly fat with fish oil. Fish oil is a fatty acid that is derived from the tissues of oily fish. It contains lots of omega-3 fatty acids including EPA and DHA, which are very important for your health. Fish oil promotes healthy cholesterol levels. It boosts your mood and energy levels, and it helps to maintain strong bones. The acids in fish oil also help in breaking down fat while reducing fat storage around your waistline. How to take it? It is recommended to take around 6 grams of fish oil a day, which is around 1 tablespoon of fish oil. Alternatively, you can eat fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna twice as sweet to get enough omega-3 fatty acids.